Hi fans, I'm in Koper in Slovenia and it looks like this, and the first thing that I gotta find is a room, and this hotel museum invited me to stay with them for a couple of days, and they're up their street there. I will show it to you. So when you go up this street and find the museum, then on the opposite side of the road you will see a Hostel museum. And it's over there. I'm at the Hostel Museum. This is a garden in a beautiful shade. You can also grill here. This is again one room that it's a share room, so it's more for the one. You can go with a company, and this is a joint bathroom and a toilet, and everything is so clean. You see, one more. Similar in a gray color, also with a big screen TV. It's spacey, and this is a toilet. Everything is clean, like you see. And Smilja will go with me too. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are going to Pranzana one more time, yeah, with a beautiful lady.
Okay, gremo.
Yeah, let's go.
Gremo.
This is my bicycle, and I will probably take the Pranzana road, which is very famous here. You can go from the Hostel Museum, and you can drive to Portorož and Piran. It will take you approximately 45 minutes. So I already have Pranzana on my YouTube video. You just check it out and you will see what I'm talking about. So guys, see you. I'm going now. And while you're waiting here, you gotta have a valid card. They have a bar here, so you leave this card at the bar, and then you can have this beautiful toast here while you're waiting till your check-in goes in. And I'm sitting with Smilja. Smilja, say hello to people. And also Doris is here. Doris, come closer. Doris, she's the owner, and she will always accept you. And we are living here a beautiful summer of Koper. So when you visit Koper, stay at the Hostel Museum. It's beautiful. So people, I will try this toast now. You see how big it is? This is how I treat a tourist, with a big toast when he comes. And here is a dip. I will do a little bit dip. Marco likes toast. So I have a great company here, and behind me there's a heart, so that they show you that they love tourists. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode. Bye. Say bye, Smilja.
Bye. Vidimo se u Kopru.
Yeah, so when you visit Koper, stay at the Hostel Museum.